How's it going, guys? Chris here with the Supercar Suspects. Hope you guys are having a great day. We got my boy Kyle with Black Widow Supra, and he's never seen my car before, and well, here it is. Your first time seeing my car, huh? Look at that thick boy in there. You're gonna get gapped in a few weeks.
Okay.
Right, Ronnie? No, but seriously, what do you think of the car? Jokes aside.
It's an EVO.
What is going on? How you doing? How you doing? What are you guys doing to this EVO?
Just tuning it.
Just tuning it, yeah.
Taking some power. Some nasty black belt motor.
Very, very loud in here, but the main reason we are actually here today is because my fuel kit finally came. Ronnie, oh shit.
Was the first one that got this in America.
First one in America, right here. Billet 525 setup. Wow, we waited how long for this? 4 months?
Yeah, we waited
4 months for this.
It was being developed.
Yeah.
So this is the control box. It's identical to the one I have in my car. Basically, both pumps are hardwired, meaning as soon as the car turns on, pump 1 is always getting battery voltage, which is about 14.5, 15.
Higher RPM, the second one kicks in?
Second one kicks in based on boost. So
boost,
I can adjust it over here. There's a little Allen knob. So the more you screw it in, basically the earlier the second pump comes on.
We got a savage package going down on the Kia over here. You already know. Okay, we need to run it after my car is done, just for fun.
So next year?
No, like next week.
Next year?
Next week when they run my damn fuel line. You thought it was done, huh? Well, you see all this open space? We have another turbo coming for it.
Another turbo?
Yeah, it's gonna take probably like 5-6 months to come,
Bro,
but then
we're missing like a battery.
No. It's the turbo.
Blow-off valve.
We don't need a battery. Fucking.
Look at that stock blow-off valve.
I got a. Oh yeah, I also got a tile blowout valve. That's sitting in there. It's sitting in there. That's gonna be going right here.
Holy shit! Look how wide that is.
Look at the rear end. It looks pretty nasty, huh?
I like the rear of this car. I like the wide.
You should get an EVO, an 8 or a 9. Why not? So I was talking to Ronnie on the phone last week, and he told me the only problem with the car we're gonna actually have is the exhaust, because I guess it's too small. It's like 2.5 inch, something like that. I need something similar to what the EVO has in there. It's gonna restrict me. He said like 20-30 horsepower, but do I care?
You should go 4-inch. So a 3-inch is restrictive, so you need to go 4-inch to allow more air to flow through the exhaust.
Have you heard your car before?
No.
Do you know what? Do you know what a 4-inch sounds like?
Mine doesn't have
Do you know? Okay, pull your pants down and listen to what the 4-inch sounds like. So this EVO right here, the Y1, is making about 480 to the wheel. Sounds absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna head out of here right now, go pick up Ronnie some food. I haven't ate about 25-26 hours. Grab some food real quick, head on back here, check out my fuel kit some more. The EVO is nearly finished. We're gonna talk a little bit more, have some fun here, mess around as usual, and then call it a day. I don't know why, but I have my EVO keys in here. I don't really need that with this car. This shit, yeah. Oh man, I miss this thing so bad. Ah, the smell. If you own an EVO, you know what I'm talking about. This is the greatest smell on earth in this car. I can sleep in this car. You know what? I might just do that tonight. I have not driven manual in about 3-4 months now. I don't even know what the f this thing does. It just twists. I don't know. What's even in this car? I don't know. We got spark plugs, receipts. What's going on in here? Lug nuts. What is this? Oh, a McLaren F1. If you guys didn't watch the video where I said we're gonna make the Corvette a little bit wider, well, tomorrow's that day. Tomorrow we're gonna go pick up the full carbon fiber wide body kit for the Corvette, and in the following 2-3 days we're gonna install it at Tamir's house. So it should be a great time, and I believe we're getting a ride in EVO right now. It's time to roll, ladies and gentlemen. All right, Ronnie, what are we doing right now?
Gonna go for a test drive and
quick little spin, huh?
log the car.
Unfortunately, there's no front seat here, so I guess I'm gonna sit in the back. Oh fuck.
Yeah, that's not good, huh?
We were about to do a pull too. All right, what are you doing now?
First, second.
First,
maybe
second.
Third.
Let's see. I mean, if you want to do another one, feel free to. I'm not gonna stop you, you know.
And honestly, I feel like every tuner should street log it, make sure the car is doing what it's supposed to do. Injector duty cycles don't shoot up, especially if you're pushing a car, because we're kind of pushing this on the system.
Was that a successful run, you think?
Yeah, absolutely. I have to look at the data logs and make sure it's not, you know, overshooting. Because I'm doing open loop boost control on this. Wastegate duty cycle stays the same, but the boost, you pick up another pound or two because of the head pressure and the fresh air, obviously, in the dyno room. I mean, I have 10,000 CFM of fan over there, but it's just recirculating, you know, the hot air in there. So.
Okay, so if mine's gonna make 700 wheel on the Mustang, how much torque is that?
It all depends.
It depends, right?
My car made like 670 torque.
So mine's gonna be maybe like low 500s.
Yeah, that's reasonable. Maybe a little bit more. The 4V11s do tend to.
Okay, I'll be more than happy with that. Thank you for the ride. Thank you for the ride.
Basically, I noticed somebody in the comments said, count how many times this guy says basically. So you're basically free to go right now.
Basically?
Yeah, my job's basically done.
I'm basically just gonna head out of the car right now.
Basically, I'll see you soon.
What in the world is going on here? This is sick, man. Why didn't you tell me I could do this?
Well, you didn't ask, bro. But this is our customer Eddie. I built 4G60 in-house by us. It's gonna be running a 6466. And as you can see, his favorite color is green. The name of his car is the Green Goblin.
Oh shit. Yeah, this one has T37s too. Sick. The T30. All right, I'm out, Jeffrey. Goodbye. All right, let's get out of here, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I have now made it home after an hour stuck in traffic. The good news is, the EVO is in its final stage right now. The piece we've been waiting for 4.5 months, the billet 525 dual setup for my fuel, the one-of-one custom made, has finally arrived, as you guys just saw. And it's gonna be going on sometime this week. So Ronnie's gonna be doing that. I don't really think you guys find that interesting, me recording him install that. So he's just gonna do that. The next video you guys see with the EVO will be the reveal video and the dyno day. For February, we're gonna aim for 10 to 15 minute bangers every single day. As you guys know, and I mentioned before, well, it's raining from Thursday to Sunday. So I don't know when I'm gonna film those days. Probably just drifting as usual. I don't know if we're gonna be installing the wide body quite yet tomorrow, but I will be purchasing it. I will like tape it up to the car and show you guys how it looks, all that good stuff. I don't know if we'll put it on, but it should be done in about 1 to 2 days. We're gonna be doing it ourselves. You guys will see who I'm doing it with. You guys already know who I'm doing it with. Mr. Yin Yang Corvette Master will be assisting us tomorrow. And if you guys want to purchase some merch, you guys already know. First link in the description. Every single thing in the store is 25% off. Every single thing is 25% off. I gotta get some sleep because tomorrow is a pretty big day. I'm very, very excited to get this new wide body on. It's gonna look pretty badass. Oh, and for the wheel, we're just gonna be throwing spacers on for now until I get the new wheels coming soon. But yes, I will see you guys in tomorrow's banger. I hope you guys enjoyed.
It's the perfect sequence. Hold my wrist up out the coupe. I pull up with busted on them on some more. I want haters can't get what they want. They mad cause they can't chill with us.
Yeah, you ain't coming back to that wide body game, huh? Yeah. I can't hear you, Chris.